Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, here in today's class we are going to learn a new poem. Okay, what is name of that poem? Deep in our refrigerator. Deep in our refrigerator. So which is on page number 20 and which is written by Jack Prelutsky. Jack Prelutsky. Okay, Jack Prelutsky. Okay, this narrator have written this very sweet poem. So here you can see a picture of refrigerator. Yes or no? Here deep. Deep means what? See, in the refrigerator there are different compartments. In each compartment you are keeping some things. Yes, food. Why we are using refrigerator? It is actually electronic machine, and here we are using this refrigerator, we can call it fridge, yes, for preserving the food, yes, for preserving the food very safely in the fridge, yes or no? So, why this author written or why this narrator written this poem? So, I will tell you. So, deep in our refrigerator, so little bit we have to see about the narrator. See here, this Jack Prelutsky, okay, Jack Prelutsky. Okay, this Jack was born in 1940. Okay, born in 1940, and he is an American author and he writes children's poetry. He loved to write the children's poetry, and he has written more than 50 collections of the poetry. Okay, in the 2006 he became the first winner of the Children Poet Laureate Award. Which Laureate Award? Why? To whom they are giving Laureate Award? Yes, like a Nobel Prize. Okay, for better achievement, they are providing or they are giving this Laureate Award. So, this narrator, he have written this small and very nice poem. Yes, when he was a child. Yes. So, actually, see, human tendency is there. What? See, we are using this fridge to keep or to preserve the food. Yes, but how many days? Yes, so that is also one limit is there. If we keep the food in the refrigerator and it will be more than 1 or 2 months, what will happen? Yes, this food will be, what will happen? This food will be all will spoil. Yes or no? This food will get spoiled and very dirty smell will be starting. Yes or no? So, we human being are doing same thing. We are keeping some things or whatever fruits, then whatever items are there, we are keeping in the refrigerator, and for after many days we are not using it, and suddenly when we are going to see, you can find out the different kind of smell, then spoiled items, and what you will do? Yes, you are throwing outside it. Yes, you are throwing into the garbage, and again you are preserving the new material and new item, new food in the refrigerator. Yes, why? Because already we know, but sometimes we are getting or we are forgetting it. Yes or no? So here also same. This narrator is telling about her mom. Her mom, what she has to do? Yes, what she is doing? She was keeping the food in the refrigerator, and after 1 month or what, she was getting or she was just forgetting it, and what she was doing? She was throwing into the garbage when this item will be going to spoil. Yes. Now, I will read the one by one stanza and then I will explain. First, I will read the whole poem. Before that, we have to see the warm-up activity. What is warm-up activity? See, you must have noticed that if food is left for a long time in a refrigerator, it gets spoiled. Yes, you know. Okay. If we keep or if we left it for a long time, suddenly what will happen? It will get spoiled. What should be done to avoid this situation? Oh yes, what should be done? We have to keep in the mind, we have kept some item in the refrigerator and we have to take it, we have to use it, and after lots of day we have to throw it. So we have to take care of that. So think of some other common experience that is the shared is most household. You have to write down it. Yes, see experience of the many households, what they are doing. So you have to write it and you have to send it to me. This is warm up activity. Now I will read it first. Deep in our refrigerator there is a special place for food that's been around a while. We keep it just in case. Deep in our refrigerator there is a special place for food that's been around a while. We keep it just in case. It's probably too old to eat, my mother likes to say, but I don't think it's old enough for me to throw away. It stays there for a month or more to ripen in the cold, and soon we notice fuzzy clumps of multicolored mold. The clumps are larger every day, we notice this as well, but mostly what we notice is a certain special smell. When finally it all becomes a nasty mass of slime, my mother takes it out and says, apparently it's time. She dumps it in the garbage can, though not without regret, then fills the space with other food that's not so enchanted. Yes, so first stanza I will read. Deep in our refrigerator there is a special place. So deep in our refrigerator, this narrator is telling that, yes, in the fridge, okay, in the fridge there is a deep place, okay, yes, where I can preserve the food. In our deep refrigerator there is a place to keep the food. There is a special place where we can keep the food for food that's been around a while. So around a while means what? For a short time. Yes, I can keep the food there. We keep it just in case, and there also different compartments are there. See, these different compartments are there. Yes, I want to, or I can keep there. So these are the case. So I can keep there. We kept it just in case, and we kept it just in case. It's probably too old to eat, my mother likes to say, and my mother, she's telling that it's probability too old to eat. Too old to eat means, probably means what? Probably means almost. Confirm means it is too old. She's telling, mother is telling that it is too old to eat. But I don't think it's old enough. But narrator don't think like that. He was thinking it is not too old he can eat. He was thinking it is not too old enough, okay, for me to throw away. For me throw away means for dump it. It is not too old. He's telling that it is not too old. I feel like that. But my mother is telling it is now time to throw away. It stays there for a month or more to ripen in the cold. See, it stay there for a month or more. It say this food stayed there 1 month before, and it become a tender. Ripen means tender. It become a means like now it is too cold. And soon we notice fuzzy clumps. Fuzzy clumps means what here? See here, fuzzy clumps. Fuzzy clumps. Fuzzy clumps means what? See here, fuzzy clumps means one type of fungus. Yes, fuzzy clumps. Clumps means something on that here bread. If you just kept the bread lots of day, you can see the green color of fungus on it. Yes or no? So one type of fungus. One type of fungus there. So I feel like that. Yes, so it was kept 1 month before. So now on that what happened? Fuzzy clumps came. And of multicolored mold. Multicolored means multicolor mold. Mold means also this here. See, liquid mold means also you can say that dots. Yes, and fuzzy clumps also you can say that. See, watering. Like suppose if you keep the tomato for 1 month, what will happen? It will be cold too much, then upside water will be there, and again on small fungus you can see on that tomato. Oh yes, so like that. So next what happened? The clumps are larger every day. We notice this as well. The clumps means lumps of something. Lumps of some things you can write here. Yes, clumps means you type of fungus, or lumps of something you can write here. Lumps of something. You can say that fungus also. Fungus. So it was too old. So what happened? Day by day it was changing its color, multicolored. Okay, mold. And what happened? We notice this as well, but mostly what we notice, yes, it's a certain special smell. Even certain special smell means unpleasant, dirty smell. Okay, because it's spoiled, so it's just leaving its bad smell, unpleasant smell. When finally it all becomes a nasty mass of slime. When finally all this material inside the refrigerator, all the material or item, it was a nasty mass of slime. Very bad, unpleasant. Nasty means very bad. And slime means what here? A sticky liquid substance. Here I will write slime. A sticky liquid substance. Liquid substance that is unpleasant to touch. So this liquid, okay, how it was? See, it was that item was too much old and it was moist, and it was like a sticky liquid substance means the jelly. Yes, if you hold it, you cannot properly hold in your hand. Yes or no? You cannot catch it, cannot hold it. So like that, this item which was in refrigerator, after 1 or 2 months, it was getting too moist and it was like storing its sticky liquid substance, means even unpleasant smell. My mother takes it out and say, apparently it's time. She dumps in the garbage can, though not without regret. See, my mother, she takes it out. While seeing this all, the condition of that item, my mother taking it out, and she was thinking, apparently it's time, right time. It is a correct time, proper time to throw it in the garbage. And she was just what she is doing? She just dumps that in the garbage can, and though not without regret. Without regret means without care. Means she know that now it's too much bad, too much spoiled. So without regretting, without feeling of sadness, she was just trying to throw it. Then fills the space with other food there is no so enchanted. And after that, what she was doing? Again, she was filling another food in the refrigerator which was not too old. Got it? So always her mother was used to, his mother was used to do like that. So what his poem understood or no? Yes. So once again I will read. Just see. Deep in our refrigerator there is a special place for food that's been around while we keep it just in case. It's probably too old to eat, my mother likes to say, but I don't think it's old enough for me to throw away. It stays there for a month or more to ripen in the cold, and soon we notice fudgy clumps of multicolored mold. The clumps are larger every day, we notice this as well, but mostly what we notice is certain special smell. When finally it all becomes a nasty mass of slime, my mother takes it out and say, apparently it's time. She dumps it in the garbage can, though not without regret, then fills the space with other food that's not so ancient yet. that was not ancient age, not too old. So probably means almost confirm. Here probability I'll write here. Probability or probably we can write here means almost, or you can say that confirm. So she know that now it is too much late and we have to throw it. Got it? So this is all about this very nice and sweet poem. So usually you also are doing same or no? Your mother, okay, what she was doing? She was also keeping the food in the refrigerator, and after she was just forgetting it, and after 1 month again she was just, sorry, I kept in the fridge, and when she wanted to see that, it will be too much moist and it too much spoiled. Yes, so here liquid and sticky liquid substance you can see on that, even fuzzy clumps are there on the food, so she can see it and again she was throwing. So this is human tendency. So very nice poem it is. Read 2 times and write down this poem, and with that you have to write down the difficult words and try to solve the exercise. Yes, till, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.